Hello, my name is Alexander Chaves. I am the Quality Assurance Tech Lead in Global Now Inc. Today, we are going to see a short example demo of automation using Selenium as our automation tool. And we are going to use the web page of FIFA.com. We decided to use this domain because currently the World Cup is in progress, so that will be fun. It is a trending topic right now. And we're going to have three small test cases. They are pretty simple, but it helps us to explain the use of this tool Selenium. So basically we're going to have the first test case that is going to simulate a registration process. The second one is going to navigate across the site. It will click in some links, validate those names, and then ends. The third one is going to try to start a session using invalid credentials, and we're going to validate that those error messages are being displayed correctly. At the end, we're going to have a report of all the execution that we did, and we're going to have a summary if all the test cases work or if they fail. So basically we will have an index.html with all the results from the execution, and I will share that with you. So let's start with the automation. The first test case is going to be registration process. So we are going to create a new user from scratch. In this case, we need to start the JUnit execution from Selenium. We select JUnit test, and it is going to display a new instance of the web browser. In this case, we select Firefox, but it could be Chrome or Safari or Internet Explorer. It is going to display FIFA.com as the home page. That's something that we have already defined. Then we are going to find the registration option. We are going to type the last name, first name, and the email. After that, he is going to request additional data. We are going to populate all of them, and it is going to validate if the username that we have chosen is available. In the left panel of Selenium, you can see a green bar, and it means that the test ends successfully. The second test case is related to navigation. So basically we're going to click on different links: social responsibility, governance, development, and organization. What we are planning to do is going to those links, click on those headers, validate if the URLs are being displayed correctly, validate if the page is the expected one, and then move to the next one. If it validates the 4 links correctly, the test will end successfully. If any of them fails, the test will fail. So let's take a look to this test. Currently it is checking the development link. You can see it in the top of the page, and it is going to move to organization. That is going to be the last one to be checked in this test. This kind of test is important because sometimes you have some missing paths or some links that are pointing to invalid locations. So that's something that you can validate if the URL and the page being displayed is the expected one in your real application. That's something that you can do using Selenium. After execute this test case, you will see in the left panel of Selenium a green bar. It means that it ends successfully. So let's move to the new one. It is going to be the login with invalid credentials. Basically, it is going to try to log in with an user and password that doesn't exist in the database, and it is going to display this error message. So we're going to validate if this error message is being displayed after try to log in with credentials that are not valid. If this error message is being displayed, the test ends successfully. Otherwise, it is an error. The error message is displayed correctly and the test passed successfully. The green bar is being displayed in the left panel. There is. Now, after execute all those test cases, Selenium has the chance to check all the results in a summary, and it is going to be created in an index.html that is located in the JUnit folder. So basically we can take a look to the whole results. We see the amount of tests that were executed, how many of them pass, how many failures, and the percentage of success rate. In this case is 100%. Individually, you can check the status of each test case. In this case, all of them are success. If there is a failure, it will fail and it will show the error message, or in which case, what's the reason of the failure. This was our demo using Selenium and FIFA.com. This was a short example, however, you can see the capabilities of this tool, Selenium. It is a really powerful tool and it is open source, and there are many things that you can use in order to automate your site. So if you are interested in this or in other videos, please visit globalnowinc.com/blogs. Thank you very much.